of a particular gland in the endocrine system, of which we can note here as the thyroid. We note it being here attached to just underneath the larynx, associated here with the musculature underneath this structure. So it would be inferior to the hyoid bone above, and we come down and note one lobe of the thyroid gland. If we look at it from its anterior surface, we know one lobe here on one side, there's a left and a right, that it would be continuing over here, which we can see this. The structures that we need to know this are fairly uneventful on the anterior surface. And it's when we move to the posterior surface, and then we zoom in a little bit to ensure we can see two parathyroid glands on here. So on the back side, your parathyroid lumps, you will note there as distinctive points here and here that you will note on the surface of this gland. So as it comes to epithelia, as it comes to the endocrine glands comprised of epithelia, you will note that you will also see this not just in models here we have of the larynx, but you will also find this gland located on your torso models very conveniently, and also the plaques that we have, which we will be overviewing a little bit, but it is very difficult to get it under this dot scanner. But we will note again the posterior surface and the two parathyroid glands, looking here at only one lobe of the thyroid in its more medial view, and looking at it here anteriorly, we can see that one lobe. And that does it again for the thyroid gland. Quite a simple thing to observe. And some of the other ones are not really capable of being put on here. We will be looking them in torso models. Mind you, such smaller things as the pituitary gland, which we do have a plaque of, which we'll be seeing a little later.